Hello, I am Cristi Muro and this is one of the videos I created to explain what's new in Future Pack 2508. In this update, we now have a new setting that controls what happens when we duplicate an item in the item master data. Before this change, SAP always copied the prices from the original item into the new one. Now you can choose if you want those prices to be copied or not. To find these settings, I'm going to go to Administration, System Initialization, General Settings, Inventory tab, and Items tab. Here you will see a new option called Duplicate Prices while duplicating items. By default, this option is turned on. This keeps the same behavior as before when you duplicated an item. All its prices are duplicated too. But if you turn this option off, SAP will create a new item without copying any of the original prices. This is useful when you want to duplicate an item structure but avoid copying all prices that no longer apply. So let's see how it works. I'm going to create an item, but right now I'm going to keep this turned on. So I want to duplicate prices while duplicating items. So I'm going to minimize and I'm going to go to the inventory item master data and I'm going to select one of my items. And here we have different price lists. Base price is $10, discount purchase price is $5, and so on. So I'm going to right click to duplicate this item. So now when I duplicated the item, you will see that we have the same prices than the original item. For example, here base price, we still have $10. Discount purchase price, we have $5. This is because I have turned on the option to duplicate price list when duplicating items. I'm going to cancel and I'm going to go back to my settings. And now I'm going to turn this option off. So now I don't want to duplicate prices when duplicating items. So I'm going to go to Inventory, Item Master Data again. I'm going to select my item. Same thing, here we have the base price, discount purchase price, and now I'm going to right click and duplicate it again. Now you can see here when I duplicated my item, SAP didn't copy it over the prices. Here we have base price, we don't have a price. Discount purchase price, we don't have a price either. So now you have the flexibility to choose or not choose to duplicate prices when duplicating items. This small setting gives you more control and helps you avoid mistakes, especially when you work with many items or update prices very often. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.